The person accused of stealing a backhoe and taking it for a bizarre joyride in North Park will stand trial.
A video of the incident went viral online. News 8's Kelly Hestall joins us live from the downtown courthouse. And Kelly, you were in the courtroom, and I understand there were some unexpected moments there today, right?
That's right. So the defendant, Liam Quigley, goes by the pronouns she, her. She made that clear through her public defender today. Also, she apparently was fine with having her face on camera. The judge brought up the issue of potentially blurring it, and her public defender said no, she doesn't want that.
My client is in the process of changing her name, and she would like there to be at least an AKA of Scooter Frank Lee, and the Lee is spelled L-E-I-G-H.
Liam Quigley, also known as Scooter Frank Lee, rode into court on a knee scooter today, accused of stealing a backhoe and taking it on a joyride through North Park last month. Prosecutors say Quigley caused several thousands of dollars worth of damage, including damage to the Observatory North Park sign. San Diego police officer Sebastian Gamboa testified when he arrived on scene, Quigley was taking off her clothes. He said she made statements to him about protesting the war in Palestine and also told him this.
This individual described the building where I recovered the backhoe, where I found him. He described the building as being transphobic.
Photos of the damage were shown in court. Prosecutors also played a profanity-laced video of Quigley talking about destroying something.
Let it be a shame if someone ran their car through this place. God.
A manager for the Observatory North Park testified due to the historic nature of their building, the damage to their sign alone was more than $39,000. However, Quigley's public defender asked the judge to reduce the charges to misdemeanors.
My client is 28 years old with no criminal history whatsoever.
He noted Quigley has a job as an engineer and said this wasn't a planned-out, sophisticated crime. But the judge denied that request and bound Quigley's case over for trial. Now, Quigley was released on her own recognizance. The judge did allow her ankle bracelet to be removed. Now, we learned today that Quigley lives in North Park. The judge ordered her to stay away from the observatory as well as the Friendly, and she's due back in court August 25th. Back to you.
A lot going on there, Kelly. There's also no criminal history, and she just decided to take a backhoe for a joyride. This is a pretty bizarre case.
Yeah, absolutely. Her public defender said today that she ate breakfast at Denny's that day and then left and saw the backhoe sitting there. It was unlocked. There was a button there that she just pushed and apparently took off. Now, she's somebody who is very active on social media. She posted videos today even talking about this court appearance and being on the news. She is somebody who is not shy about talking on camera.
Well, and the judge wants to take it to trial, so that's what's going to happen next. Kelly, thank you so much for that.